Sup YouTube, it is your man Tweet, and konnichiwa to all of you, and welcome to the weekend's drawing video. Now today my friends, we have a CSC drawing sent to us by Gone Free. If I'm saying your name incorrectly, please let me know in those comment sections down below. Thank you so much. But this drawing was actually really fun to draw. I really had a good time drawing this one. I will say this, there is some video quality issues. It was something wrong with my camera and I couldn't fix it at the time, but as soon as production and recording was finished, I managed to fix it way too late. But no worries, you'll get crystal clear photos at the very end, so no worries, I got y'all. Y'all can see all the colors and all its glory. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you strike the like button and a comment down below. If you have a CSC drawing that you want me to draw, hit me up in my DMs on Instagram. That'll be all in the link description below. But thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the video, and as I always say, peace and sayonara. Play the video.
It's you and me. It's my voice talking cheap on the telephone. It's where I've been. It's the proof that I waited to say I'm wrong. Stuck inside my head that November. You know I've never been the type to get up and surrender. That's how I feel. I don't ask, you don't tell, find a way to deal. Standing in the sun mid-December, listening to the songs that I know you love. Take me back in time, when we used to fly miles above. I don't wanna come back down. You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my juju. Nothing seems the same, always on the go now, never seem to slow down. You've been playing games, you don't pick up the phone now, when you know I'm never home now. Tell me when am I gonna see you? 'Cause I've been missing your body, right beside me. Tell me when am I gonna see you? You've been driving me crazy, I can't take this. All I wanna do is be right there for you, be right there with you. All I wanna do is be right there for you, be right next to you. Wait a minute. Trust is not an issue, just pick up your phone now, 'cause I'm on the way back for you. So tell me when am I gonna see you? 'Cause I've been missing